Imagine a world where your kids could explore the sky without leaving the ground. Welcome to the exciting, accessible universe of drones for kids. Packed with advanced technology and brimming with endless entertainment, these high-flying gadgets have taken playtime to new heights. In this video, I will mention 3 best kids drone that is available in the market now. So watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is DEERC D20 Mini Drone for kids. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone stands out as an ideal tech gadget for aspiring young pilots. Its 720p HD Wi-Fi camera elevates the aerial experience, allowing kids to capture stunning photos and videos. The one-key start/landing button simplifies the takeoff and landing process, making it user-friendly. Altitude hold technology ensures a stable flight, enabling clear and high-quality footage. Safety features, including low-power alarm and emergency stop, provide peace of mind for both parents and young aviators. The added fun of 3D Flips and Waypoints Fly makes this mini drone a versatile and enjoyable companion for kids' adventures. Number 2 is NEHEME NH525 Foldable Drones. This foldable drone is a technological marvel designed with both safety and entertainment in mind. Its 80-adjustable 1080p HD camera delivers a panoramic view of the surroundings, enhancing the overall flying experience. The inclusion of 4 propeller guards ensures safety during flights, making it an excellent choice for beginners. With 2 intelligent batteries, offering an impressive 26 minutes of flight time, kids can enjoy extended aerial exploration. The drone's user-friendly design, featuring one-key takeoff/landing, headless mode, and various fun flight options, caters to a wide range of skill levels. From breathtaking views to hands-free gestures, this mini drone provides a comprehensive and enjoyable journey into the world of flight. Number 3 is SOTAONE S400 drone with camera. It is a compact powerhouse, perfect for young adventurers seeking a thrilling flying experience. Equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera and FPV live video, this mini drone captures vivid images and provides a real-time view from the sky. Its safety-first approach, with full protective guards, ensures worry-free flights for parents. The drone's ability to perform 3D flips, high-speed rotation, and circle flight adds an extra layer of excitement for kids. The mini foldable design enhances portability, making it easy to carry on outdoor adventures. With features like default altitude hold and one-key start/land, this drone provides stable flights and a seamless introduction to the joy of flying.